Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Code for Tech Solutions. Today in this video we are going to address one issue which is like type error, map is not a function. So we have our code yet here. Now we can see this is the variable which holds the profile data and this is the set profile function. Now here we have some records with each record is having fields like name, gender, age and address. So we have prepared some 4 records, and here inside table you can see these are the table headers like name, gender, age and address, and here we are entering our data on this profile array, and this is the data part. Now if we go to the terminal and run our application, ideally it should show our table headers and data part into the browser. We can run this using command npm run dev. Now here it is not showing anything. Now let us open this into the browser and check what is going wrong. So we can see it is reflecting, it is the error is getting reproduced. Type error profiles.map is not a function. Now the question is how we can resolve this, right? Now here, in order to resolve that, what the message is clearly indicating that profile.map is not a function, so we need to convert it as a function. So what we can do, like here in React we can use useState. We need to import first from React, and this useState we can use in order to define variables, initialize it and add functions for changing the state of the variable. So for that purpose we can use that. Another variable we can use as a star as React, and here say React. These are two imports we need to add. Now next thing, like what we can do here we can use react dot use state, and here we can call the function on this, and here we need to complete this array. Fine. Now we can save it. Now it is showing the header. Now we need, in order to show the table data, here we can cross check. This is the profiles, same, and on which we are iterating, and for each profile we are it should render the data part like name, gender and age and address values. So here we can see we have defined a tr for row, but we have not returned it, so we need to add return statement, and inside return statement we can cut this tr part and put inside this, and fine, and we can save it. Now once we save it, you can see now it is rendering the table column as well as the table data. Now if we go back to our browser side and cross check now by refreshing it and go to the inspect button, now we can see the error is resolved. It is not showing that error anymore. So with this, like, we have resolved our issue, like, which is type error, map is not a function, and what all things we have done for that. Like, we have declared a useState variable, and next, like a React we have imported, and here in order to treat it as a function, we have declared like react.useState we have used. Inside that, under function, we have defined these data rows, and same data rows we have rendered into the table t body. For each row we are entering this name, gender, age and address, and the same name, name, gender, name and age and address, so these are the columns we have rendered it here, and these are the data. Okay, so only we have followed 3 steps. First we have imported this, next we have imported this, and here we have used the react.useState. That's it. Now this part you need to take care, we need to return each row so that it will get rendered on the browser side. That's it about the today's issue resolution. Thank you so much for watching this video.